Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Erica, and today's video is a clean with me video where I'll be working on cleaning the refrigerator. I'm going to quickly sort the laundry and get it started, but my next video is actually going to be a laundry motivation video, so I'll save the rest of the laundry motivation for that one. I usually do a load of laundry a day, but intentionally gave myself a few days off while we had some things going on around here, so I have a few loads that need to be done. I usually sort the laundry by fabric weight rather than color, and everything stays really nice. If I have multiple loads to do, I do 2 or 3 quick cycles, then put everything in the dryer together rather than waiting for each load to dry by itself in the dryer. It saves so much time this way. What's your favorite laundry hack?
But they don't have a clue, 'cause this is me when I cut out all the shallowness and everything I suppress.
I used to clean out the fridge each time we did a big grocery trip, but that simply does not happen anymore. I'm sure it will again someday, but in the meantime, you're sure to get a bunch of motivation. The shelves weren't horribly dirty, but you'll see in a sec that the bottom shelf was pretty bad. It's a satisfying before and after.
All the bad vibes cut me loose from the pettiness they turn on me, but now I am perfectly free to be me.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be.
If you're getting value or entertainment from this video today, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn the notification bell to all so that you never miss a weekly video.
What you doing, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do. Do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. He knows. I bet you think that I should calm down.
And this is what I was talking about. Pretty bad and not usually this dirty, but I'm getting it now and that's all that matters. I've been using this extra toothbrush for certain cleaning around the house and it makes such a difference. There was a spot on the floor here that I'd been wiping and mopping for a while now, but it came right up with the toothbrush.
What things you like and what you don't, it's not that long since I met you for the first time. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions. See me now, why don't you hear me out? Can't you see what we're about? I see you at my door, wanting in, come back for more. But I don't want this anymore. 'Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the toe. Watch. Guess I'm not into you that much. So goodbye, my love. Already found someone that I'm thinking of, and I lose myself again to someone who's got the toe. Someone who's got the toe. Let me go, let me out. My time is precious to me, so you just have to do without. Here's something you can think about. You play me good, there's no doubt, but you're the one that's missing out. 'Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the toe. Watch. Guess I'm not into you that much.
Since I had this watermelon, I thought it'd be nice to cut it up now to have it ready to eat in the morning. Watermelon is the absolute most refreshing thing to me in the summertime. I think you'll find it satisfying to watch it being cut up too.
Myself again to someone who's got the toe. Someone who's got the toe. 'Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost it.
In a moment, I'll show you how the fridge turned out. As I often say about some of the organization in my home, it might not be Pinterest worthy, but it works for us and I love it. We know where we tend to keep everything, and now it's nice and clean too. I didn't work on the freezer because we don't keep a ton in there. It could stand to be wiped down, but that will be for another day.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Thank you so much for spending a little of your time with me today. I hope you got something checked off from your to-do list that's been bugging you. I'll see you next time for some laundry motivation. Bye.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing.